Okay, well, here we are at Nudgee Beach on a wet and miserable overcast day, but it's for another after image project. And today we have the amazing volunteer Ken, who's going to fly for us. Thank you also to Colin and Bethany, who've come along to hold things and to get muddy. So we're going to play with 99 objects, and you can work out pretty easily, I think, what's going to come. And must just tell you, haven't got one of them with us. So let's see what happens.
On the telephone.
Sure you are.